Jagannath friends, today now this is corona times, so always wear mask in your face. Movie to be gamsa gori bossi. So today I am going to tell 7 golden line for you. The first one is, if you cannot do great things, do small things in great way. Second one is, happiness is a choice, not a opportunity. Choose happy always. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. And third one is, the best way to predict the future is to create it. And fourth one is, when one door closes, another door opens. Keep learning, keep moving, keep crawling, keep running, and for opportunity and get success in your life. A harmful truth is always more better than a useful lie. Happiness is like a butterfly. The more you choose happiness, the more it eludes you, more it progresses you. And seven one is, the most valuable things you can make is a mistake. You can't learn anything from being friends. He who tie ups cannot stand, he who tired cannot walk, though always be try to crawl and walk and run and finally reach at destination place. Thank you, friend.